Hi, I'm Oluwakemi. I'm excited to have you here again. This is question 5, Jamb Physics 2018, which goes thus. What is the total electrical energy consumed by using an electric cooker rated 1000 watts for 5 hours? The electrical energy equation or formula is equal to E equals the power, which is measured in watts, times the time T, which is measured in seconds. Okay, so now if we go back to the question, we will see that the power given, which is in watt, is 1000, okay, times the time given, which is in hours, and that is 5. So we need to convert that to seconds. So we have 5 times 60 times 60. Okay, good. So now we can quickly use our calculator to multiply this. So we have 1000 times 5 times 60 times 60, and that will give us 18 million. Okay, so we have 18 million, and if we're to leave that in indices form, we'll have 1.8 times 10 raised to the power of what? Okay, let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 10 raised to the power 7 joules. Okay, good. So now let us check the answer option. Answer option C is the right answer. Good. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.